Most people think checking a Google Play gift card balance is complicated, but here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, it takes less than a minute if you know where to look. The real problem is that most users check the wrong screen or expect the balance to show before redeeming it. In this video, you will learn exactly how to check your Google Play gift card balance, where it appears, and what to do if it is not showing correctly. Let's start with the most important point. Google Play gift cards do not have a separate balance checker like a bank card. Instead, the value is added directly to your Google Play account after redemption. So if Alex is trying to find a balance on the card itself, he won't find anything. The balance lives inside the account. Now here's how you actually check it. First, open the Google Play Store app on your Android phone. Make sure you are signed into the correct Google account. This is where many people make mistakes because they have multiple accounts on the same device. Next, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Go into Payments and Subscriptions. Then tap Payment Methods. Here you will see your Google Play balance displayed if your gift card has been successfully redeemed. But here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes the balance does not show instantly. If Jake just redeemed a card, the system may take a few seconds or require a refresh. Simply close the app and reopen it, or sign out and sign back in to force an update. Now let's talk about a common problem. If you redeem the gift card but see zero balance, it might have been added to a different Google account. Switch between all accounts on your phone and repeat the same steps in each one. Another method is to check your redemption history. Go to Google Play, tap Payments and Subscriptions, then Budget and History. If the card was used, you will see a transaction entry there confirming it. But here's the problem most people miss. If the gift card was not properly redeemed due to network issues, it will not appear anywhere. In that case, you may need to re-enter the code carefully or contact Google Play support with your receipt. So let's quickly summarize. Google Play gift card balance is not checked on the card itself. It appears inside your Google Play account after redemption. Always check the correct account, refresh the app, and verify your payment history if something looks wrong. If this helped you, like the video, drop a comment with your issue, and subscribe for more simple guides that save you time and confusion online.